tournament is incomplete without Pakistani chai. I
Absolutely.
hope you're missing the chai as well, but we'll
Yes.
bring out one for
I'll
you.
get my tea in a bit.
Yeah.
It's fine. Yeah.
But you know who's next? Who's
next?
coming back to the scene?
Who?
It's Avas Honey.
Oh, okay.
And
He's
by the
trying
way,
out different characters.
Lily. He's
Yeah.
playing Lily now these
Lily,
days.
and I've also seen him play with some Victor too. So it's good to see him back, in the competitive.
I just want to tell you one thing. Both of these players used to play Akuma in Tekken 7. The second player's name is actually Faizan Akuma.
Faizan Akuma.
Faizan
Okay.
Akuma, and is going up against maybe Avas Akuma or Avas Honey Akuma, whatever you want to say. This is Avas Honey versus Faizan Akuma.
Yeah.
So Dragunov. Okay, Dragunov is the new Akuma of this game.
Yes, alive.
Corruption.
I told that everyone when he came out. He's the new Akuma.
Yeah, he's the new Akuma. Man, I think Dragunov corrupted the whole Tekken, by the way.
No, I don't think he corrupted.
Even
it.
though
he just
everyone
wants- he just made sure that opponents are learned. If you cannot handle Dragunov, he's gonna kill you. That's it.
You think if there are 8 Dragunovs and you're gonna survive that battle?
Yeah, But I've seen so many great players, counter Dragunov really well. Like stepping, the CD forward towards downward. Like they know how to play around Dragunov. But probably one of the strongest character in the game right now.
Sure, but
that's
it's
for
gonna be
sure.
an
But here we
interesting
go.
one. It's an interesting one to watch because now Avas Honey is playing a Lily, a female character.
Oh, wow.
Wow, he's going all in.
Yes,
Looking good, pretty solid, but he's actually throwing a lot of risky moves.
So that's Savas Honey, right?
Yeah.
Day one.
Day one.
Yeah.
Day one, who won? Match number 1.
Yeah. He always does it, man. He always does it. But here we go. Back turn. Homing there. Wow. This is what I was saying. You gotta step low.
Wait
From
for your
P1.
turn. But this move is just insane. But if it whips, it costs you a big boy combo.
Don't worry. I give it my launch punish from this playing Warring. Wild Rising 2-3, bro.
Oh, that's a launch
Yes,
punish?
Yes, it's a launch punishable move. Basically, the first thing is high. The first hit of this homing is high.
But this is game. Oh, man, round number 2. Denied.
Oh, wow.
These guys are not using any kind of rage,
Yeah.
It would be interesting if we see some, maybe rage drives in season 3 or 4, maybe.
You never know, man.
It's gonna be so much in a single
Oh my
round.
God, look at that. The 3-hit string worked completely. Avas Honey finding that launcher in the middle of things.
Drops the combo there.
Oh, no.
Oh, clean damage. The most
How
hated thing
that
about the
a
clean
beautiful
damage.
duck, though?
Yes. People are used to Dragunov. The knowledge coming in handy. 36 seconds on the clock.
Gonna go
Rage.
for the homing.
He's going all
No.
in. Oh, thank you, lady.
Punish. Back turn.
Oh, hop kick denied.
Wow.
Man, hop kick. People throw hop kick. I love these guys. Hop kick is a game changer.
Yeah, that's true. Wow, what a delay. The back 4-3 engager coming out. Running 2. Here we go.
The clean damage. The clean damage is
Okay,
not good.
Avas Honey finishes the string.
You don't want to get caught in yourself with a clean damage. Up till now, look at the pokes are coming in handy. Oh, the range.
First coming in raw activation. Here we go. Gonna get the engager.
What?
Is that the perfect combo? I'm not
No.
really sure, but here we go. He's definitely gonna get a lot of damage here. Last hit will miss.
This combo is a different one because the Lily has a different combo.
Yeah.
It rotates your
Ooh.
opponent.
That was the air smash. But that's why
Wow.
it had a bad scaling. Ah, the down to into.
There was a really nice mix-up by Faizan Akuma. He actually baited a wild 4 into 3+4 or whatever that move is.
Yeah.
That was an interesting one and takes the first game.
Absolutely. I mean, look, it looks really sharp. Like, Honey with some terrible combos, I must say. Because after the engager, it is natural to have your max damage combos when you do that.
Yeah, especially
like
after
every
he dash.
character has it. And it was a very bigger stage, so Honey should have known the max damage combo. But unfortunate, it is what it is. But second game, Honey hadn't had a bad first game, so maybe he should be able to, work his way around in this game number 2.
So a different approach now from Faizan Akuma. Now he's going all in. Hey, look at that. He is drops a combo, man. So unfortunate. Maybe a female hitbox again coming in handy.
Yeah, I mean, just like I said, female characters are slightly slippery. Let alone Lily, right?
Oh, Rejon.
Wait, has he pressed
Thank
button?
you.
Launch
Nah.
that.
This
Should
is
be able to
much
get the
better
round, yeah.
Avas Honey.
Yeah.
Now this is a better Avas Honey that we are actually looking at. Because that's how you play Tekken 8. You're not-
Voila.
बोला
ये वाला
yeah.
ये वाला
By the way, it's -11 now, so it's not safe anymore. It was supposed to be -9, but now it's -11. So
और मैं जो हमारे लोग उर्दू देख रहे हैं उनको बहुत बहुत सलाम कहूँगा यार, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप लोग ट्यून इन करते हैं और बड़ी मेहरबानी, आप लोगों की इंजॉय करते हैं, आप लोग के इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं और आप लोग उनके फैंस हैं. इट्स सो इनक्रेडिबल टू हैव यू गाइस इन द कम्युनिटी. और ये स्मैश और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह यार
इसको उर्दू में
माशाल्लाह.
करें.
हाँ,
Let's make it interesting.
Yeah, let's make it
इसको खुद पर यकीन होना चाहिए था कि ये मूव पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये नहीं पड़ा.
बट यस आई थिंक लाइक मतलब ये कि इस तरह की सिचुएशन में आपको हमेशा
सिचुएशन नहीं बोलना,
सॉरी नहीं बीच में
इस
आएगी,
तरह के मरहले
आएगी.
में.
इस तरह के मरहले में
उर्दू करना है.
नहीं थिंक इस के हम थोड़ा सा मिक्स सकते हैं लाइक कैन नॉट गो लाइक टू उर्दू और टू इंग्लिश बट
It's
वाओ.
gonna be funny, bro.
First the kill switch engage for the kill.
अब इसको उर्दू में कहें. और उसने मौत का बटन दबा दिया.
मौत का बटन दबा दिया और वो अभी भी चल रहा है. Engaged.
2 मरहले जीत चुका है, तीसरे मरहले की तरफ.
और ये तीसरे और ये बैक 4-3 और ड्रैगनोव लिली की तरफ गामजन.
ये मुकाबला जीतना बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ
ओह देयर यू गो.
Okay.
ओह चलो चलें.
ये जो लोग कहते हैं ना उर्दू में कमेंट्री, ये मैं उनके लिए कर रहा
ये
हूँ
बुरा नहीं मानना.
ताकि वो आपको इतनी बुरी लगे कि आइंदा आप हमें कभी भी ना कहेंगे उर्दू में कमेंट्री. बट या आई मीन आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइस विल एंजॉय, so that's why we here spread the
फैजान
engager,
अकूमा
the one
बदतमीजी
plus two,
करते
no
हुए.
way he finishes that running.
फैजान अकूमा ने बिल्कुल भी उसकी इज्जत नहीं की, उसके फ्रेम्स की इज्जत नहीं की और बहुत बदतमीजी करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हुए ये मुकाबला जीत लिया.